Sharon C Beauty. Guys, have you ever seen someone and you wonder why is it that they have such a good skin texture? In fact, they look younger than their actual age. Yes, it's because they take care of their skin, both inside and out. And today I'm going to show you how to do that, how you can achieve that with honey. Honey contains a rich source of antioxidants and flavonoids, which is beneficial to both the external and internal human body. For this video, I'm going to concentrate more on the benefits of honey on the external part of the body, which is your skin. Okay. Using honey creates a lot of benefits on our skin, which one of them is honey is very good in hydrating your skin. Even when you use honey on your skin, even when you wash it off, it will still retain that moisture. That is the reason why I like honey, and it's very good, especially for someone with for dry skin. If you use honey on a regular basis on your skin, it's going to help you with improving that hydration that you lack, that your dry skin lack. Honey deep cleanses the pores. Because of the antibacterial that it contains and the antioxidants, it helps to deep cleanse your pores, which will make your skin glow a bit more. Honey repairs damaged cells. Yeah, right, damaged skin cells. Because of the flavonoids and the antioxidants in it. So it helps those agents help with lightening your skin. When you apply honey on your skin, because of those agents, what happens? It lightens your skin. It helps to reduce any acne scars that you may have. It helps to, like, if your skin is very dull looking, it helps to actually lighten it up. And for those of you that are suffering from hyperpigmentation, yes, honey is your best friend. You need to start using it regularly. And if you use it like 2 or 3 times a week, within 1 month, you should be able to start seeing improvement on your skin. So today I have a recipe that I'm going to show you. This recipe is really good. I can attest to that because I use it on a regular basis. And if you use this in the comfort of your home, you can use it in the kitchen. The good news is all these products that I'm going to use today, they are so inexpensive, but very effective and beneficial to your skin. I'm going to show you what the products that you're going to use for that. So what we are doing is I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of natural honey. Make sure it's natural honey and it's 100% natural. So the darker the honey is, the better. Okay. So this is 1 tablespoon here, and this is half tablespoon. Okay, so you use 1.5 tablespoon of honey, natural honey, 100% natural honey. So you're going to need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Make sure the sugar is brown sugar. I normally prefer brown sugar, and organic one as well. So you mix it to make a paste. Okay. Try and use this on a regular basis. And for someone suffering, like I said earlier, hyperpigmentation, if you have a dull skin, and then this is another thing, lemon. And you know what lemon does? Lemon oil is very good. It's very detoxifying your skin. It cleanses your skin, and it helps to reduce any scars that you may have on your skin. It's a very good lightening agent. So you use one drop, 2 drops, and 3 drops. All you need is just 3 drops of lemon oil. You can use lemon juice as well. If you don't have lemon oil, you can use lemon juice. You can use 3 drops of lemon juice. All you have to do is cut the lemon juice into half, and then you you strain it. Use that, you strain it to get the juice out. Okay, and then you can use it if you don't have lemon oil. So you mix it all together to make a paste. Okay, to make sure it's like that. And if you find that it's too thick, and the reason why mine, because if you use lemon juice, you'll probably be a little bit more water than it is right now. Okay, so you mix it up very well. You can make more if you want. Make more and store it in a jar. This jar, this kind of jar, you can store it in a jar, and you put it in a room temperature in your house or in the fridge. Store it, and then when you finish now, okay. So we're ready to apply it on our face. So you just need to take some of that and apply it all over your face here. Even your neck, guys, always don't neglect your neck, because that's where aging starts, from the neck. So you can use your two hands and apply it, and make sure you rub it all in. Rub it all in, all over. For those of you with sensitive skin, I recommend you just apply it. Maybe you can use it like as a mask instead of scrubbing it. You just apply it. Even for us, all skin types really, but mostly sensitive skin, because you have to be careful with the sugar. The granules on the sugar may be a little bit too hard for your skin if you have sensitive skin. So you apply it all over your face, your hands as well, because these places ages start. Or most times you can use it all over your body. Look at me. You can use it all over your body. See? Apply it all over your body. And so for using it as a scrub, if you want to use it as a scrub, you can, it's only like you scrub it for like 45 seconds in your skin. Scrub it all over 45 seconds. But if you're using it as a mask, after applying it all over your skin, God, I'm loving this. It smells really good. Even your lips, if you have dry lips, I tell you, use it on your lips. So you scrub it for about 45 seconds. But if you want to leave it as a mask, you have to leave it for between 15 to 20 minutes. One thing I love about honey is, even after applying it on your skin, even after washing it off, you could still, it retains moisture on your skin. So the moisture will still be there. It will still be there on your skin. It doesn't go, that's why it's very good for dry skin. Contains a lot of, it hydrates your skin a lot. So that's one thing I love about honey. So guys, I'm going to wash it off now and see how it is. So I've washed it off now, and look at how my skin is glowing. It's very red at the moment, which is good, because when it turns red like this, it means it's improving circulation on your skin, which helps to give you that good skin tone and glow. So guys, if you like it, please, you can try it in the comfort of your home, and send me message, comment below, tell me where what, if you're able to make it, if you find it good on your skin. And guys, remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, and I'm really grateful, and I love you guys. Take care. Bye.